Hello everybody! So today we're going to be learning how to make homemade vanilla extract. It's super easy. It takes a little bit of time, like it takes a few weeks to brew, but once you have it, it is way better than anything you can buy at the store. And the only two ingredients that you need is some vanilla beans. I got mine from Amazon. These are the grade A beans. There's grade A and grade B are the two that are recommended. And so you can get either one. They're both relatively cheap. I've not actually used the grade A beans before, but I've used grade B beans before. And so I'm really interested to see how this is going to turn out. So the only thing that we're going to need is some vanilla beans and some vodka. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so it's really simple. All that we're going to do is we're just going to split these beans just in half. You don't even need to cut all the way through. You just want to make an incision just to kind of open them up. And then all that we're going to do is we're just going to put it in the jar. I'm using a 9-ounce jar. However, my last batch was in a 4-ounce jar. I mean, you can really use any size of jar. Just keep in mind that the bigger the jar. So I'm using a 9-ounce due to the fact that whenever I cook a lot, it takes a while for the brew to catch up. And then also I'm using 4 vanilla beans. You can really experiment with that and see how many beans work best for you. So yeah, so as you can see, all that I'm doing is just barely splitting them up. The more beans you have, the faster it will be. The faster the brewing process will be. So now all that we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill it up with some vodka. And you can either use a really cheap vodka. I use the cheapest I can find. However, some people, they like to use really expensive stuff. I've kind of found that, the vanilla is such a strong flavor that you really can't tell the difference. And so all that you're going to do is just shake that up, and then you're going to put it in the cupboard, and every few days or so, just give it a shake for about 8 weeks, and then it will be ready to use. But the longer you let it brew, the better the flavors will be. So it is up to you on how long you let it brew. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed that super quick tutorial. It really is so easy to make. I've had one that I've been using for the past few years. I've had this one now for about 3 years, and it's still going pretty strong. I'm just using it more than it can keep up, so I wanted to get a second batch going. If you did enjoy the video, it would be extremely helpful if you could leave a like down below, and then also if you would subscribe. And comment your favorite thing to make with vanilla extract, or the thing you're most excited about to make with homemade vanilla extract. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time.